going to learn multiplication base method. This is special technique of multiplication, and to know the technique, first the meaning or the terminology must be clear. What is terminology? First, we are going to use the term base. Now, what is base? Any number which starts with 1 and is followed by zeros are called base. Okay, so the number which begins with 1 and is followed by 0, like 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, these are bases, right? These are called bases. And the second term which we are going to use frequently is deviation. Deviation means how far is the number from the base. How far is the number from the base. This deviation is calculated. Deviation mathematically, deviation is equal to number minus the base, right? So I will be using two terms. First is base and the second is deviation. Base are the numbers which begins with 1 and is followed by zeros, and deviation is the difference between the number and its base. Deviation is the difference between the number and the base. Now let us understand deviation by making a table. Let me quickly draw a table. Here I am going to write number its base and deviation. Say the number is 12. If the number is 12, then what is its base?
1.
Equal to 10. The base will be 10. And deviation, 12 minus 10. Deviation is number minus base. That is 12 minus 10 is equal to 2.
Yes.
Okay. So if the number is 106, what is its base?
100.
Yes, its base is 100. And deviation is?
6.
Correct. If the number is 1002.
The base is 1000 and the deviation is 2.
2, right. If the number is 97, here the base is 100 and the deviation is -3.
-3?
Yes, 97 minus 100. 97
Oh, okay.
100 is -3. So if the base is 992, sorry, if the number is 992, its base is
1000.
Yes, it's basically
And the deviation is -8.
and the deviation is -8. Very nice. If the number is 17, its base is
10.
yes, and deviation is 7.
7.
If the number is 88,
The base is 100
yeah, and
and the
deviation is
deviation is -12.
yeah, correct. So now it is clear to you that what are bases and what are deviations, right?
Yes.
Okay, just note down here. Let us multiply two numbers which are closer to the same base.
Just a minute.
Okay, here I will name them as number 1 and number 2. Now, and what are the deviation of first number
The
1?
answer is 105894.
Yeah. So what is the deviation of first number?
Huh?
Deviation of first number.
100.
No,
Deviation,
base is
sorry.
100.
6,
Deviation is
6, 6,
6. And deviation of second number.
5.
Okay, I have named it as D1 and D2. Now
Okay.
I will divide my answer in two parts, LHS and
And RHS.
RHS. In RHS, I will multiply D1 and D2. 6 times 5 is
30, 30.
and in LHS, I can either add number 1 and division 2. 106 plus 5 is
11.
11. Or I could have added number 2 and division 1, that is 100.
Oh, sir, how 111? It should be
100
11, right?
106 plus 5 is 111. 106 plus 5. Number 1 plus division 2.
Oh, okay, okay, okay.
Okay. Second is number 2 or division 1. Number 2 is 105 plus division 1 is 6. That also comes to be 111.
Yes.
And the third way in which it can be obtained is base plus division 1 plus division 2. So this becomes 100. Base is 100. Division 1 is 5 and division 2 is 6. That also comes to be.
111.
So the final answer is 100, 11130. 11,130.
Okay.
That should be noted is that there is a rule for RHS which says there are as many number of digits in RHS as there are zeros in the base. That is, RHS must have as many number of digits as there are zeros in the base. Here the base is 100.
Okay, okay.
So 100 has two zeros. So in RHS,
Okay, it has 2 zeros, so there will be
yeah, there will be
2 zeros in RHS. 2 digits in RHS.
yeah, correct. Okay, let us take some more example where this rule is applied. Just give me few seconds. Okay. Let the number be 102 times 103. So here the deviations are 2 and 3. When for RHS I have multiplied D1 and D2, I got 6. But the rule says the RHS must have 2 digits. So I will write 06. And for LHS, it's going to be
Oh, then
102,
I have to zero.
which is 105. Let us take another example. If the numbers are 107 and 106, you will multiply 7 times 6, which is 42, and then 107 plus 6 is 113.
Um,
Now is it clear?
yes.
Okay, try this question yourself.
One one zero one zero.
Yes, correct. 11010. Okay. So next question, we will change the base this time. This is 1002 into 1007. Please try.
1000909.
10090.
9.
No. This is D1 into D2. D1 into D2. 7 times 2 is 7 times 2 is 14. And here the base has 3 zeros. So you have to write 014. And for LHS, add these. So this is
Why 1/4?
D1 into D2. 2 into 7.
Oh, okay. Now,
Got it? Okay. Next question here also you have to apply the rule. 1005 into 1002.
1007010.
1007 010 is the right answer. Okay, let's change the base. Now the base is 10. Try this.
108.
Why 108? This is 2 and 6. 2 times 6 is 12. So you will write 2 and 1 will go as carry. 12 plus
Oh,
6 is 18 and 1 from carry. So this becomes 19. Let me take one more example. I will solve it for you. Just pay attention on board. If the numbers are 18 times 19, then the division of first number is 8. Please
18
pay
to
attention.
9.
Don't focus on writing, focus on understanding part. Now RHS is D1 into D2. 9 times 8 is 72.
Yes.
By 2 and 7 will go as carry. Now 18 plus 9 is 27. 18 plus 9
Yeah.
plus 7 from carry. So this becomes 34. Final answer 342. Now this is
Oh, okay. Now I got it.
very nice. So one question for you.
Two hundred and ten. 210.
Very nice. This is correct. One more for you.
That's 19, right? The
Nine,
first one.
yeah, 19 times 12.
228. 228.
Yeah. This is 18. 19 plus 2, 21 plus 1 carry. 228 is the right answer. So the technique is clear to you.
Yes.
Very nice.